Heal our bodies, Lord. Heal our minds. Heal our families, Lord. Heal our finances. Heal our homes. Heal our housing situations, Lord. In the name of Jesus. But heal any legal implications and remedies, Lord. In the name of Jesus, by the power of God. We push back the forces of darkness, Lord, and we enforce the kingdom of light and power in the mighty name of Jesus. Come on, agree with me. Say, in the